Welcome to the Loubby AI platform. Today, let's walk through the checklist feature, a tool that makes employee onboarding and tax management simple, structured, and stress-free. It takes away the confusion for employees and the tracking burden for employers. To access the checklist feature, switch to the management side of the platform. From the menu, click More, then select Company. Under Company, you'll find the checklist option. This centralizes all onboarding and compliance tasks in one place, so managers never lose track of progress. You'll see two options: the Loubby AI Standard Checklist and the Personalized Checklist. Loubby AI Standard Checklist includes default tasks like submitting documents, updating bank details, and completing core onboarding steps. This ensures every new hire completes the essentials consistently. Personalized Checklist allows companies to create their own tasks, tailored to their unique policies and standards. You can set a checklist name, description, and even enforce sequential task completion, so one step must be finished before moving to the next. This flexibility means your onboarding adapts to your company's exact workflow, not the other way around. You can also choose when to display a checklist, during onboarding or later, such as for tax management or other compliance processes. This makes the checklist feature more than just onboarding. It's a long-term tool for structured, accountable employee management. In summary, the checklist feature on Loubby AI simplifies onboarding, ensures compliance, and helps both employees and employers stay on track from day one through ongoing processes. It's your guarantee that nothing slips through the cracks. Thank you for watching. Visit loubby.ai to get started.